only like 4 things, and this is not 4, this is 8, but you will need 4 things. Hello everyone, welcome back to my little quick DIY video. For today's video I just want to share some of my perfect tricks, or just one perfect trick, how to whiten your teeth really easy. So first of all, you will need only like 4 things, and this is not 4, this is 8, but you will need 4 things. And yeah, let's get started. Now you will see what you need, and after that you will see how I do it. All of those things, I will just take my toothbrush and put this on my teeth and leave it like that after brushing it for like 2 to 3 minutes. So it will look like this. So yeah, that's my perfect way how I actually wipe my teeth. I think it's super great. I was used to smoke before, and now I'm actually trying to quit. So actually the perfect way to not have yellow teeth for me is this one. It's a little bit gross when you're doing it, but it's okay. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope this will help you, because actually it really helps me. So I know this video is super quick and it doesn't need to be that long. It's just need to serve for some kind of information. So I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, and like on this video. So kisses to you guys, see you in the next one. Bye.